You see how they never teach this in school, but everyone who builds wealth follows these exact rules? You're not bad with money, you're not lazy, and you don't just need to earn more. What you have are silent money leaks. If you're working hard but your bank balance never grows, chances are at least 3 of these 7 habits are quietly draining your future. And the scary part? Most people never even notice them. Today, we fix that. This episode is for complete beginners. If you've never invested, never budgeted properly, and feel like money disappears every month, this is for you. This is not a get-rich-quick plan. No crypto hype. No flip $100 into $10,000 in 24 hours. Just simple, practical habits that normal people use to slowly build financial stability. Each point today will be clear. One definition, one real example with numbers, and one action you can take this week. Let's start with the most dangerous one. Number 1. Living without a spending plan. You spend first and hope there's money left over. For example, you make $3,000 per month. Rent is $1,200. Bills are $800. That leaves $1,000. But without a plan, eating out, subscriptions, and random purchases slowly eat that $1,000. And by the end of the month, you have $47 left. Not because you're irresponsible, because you never told your money where to go. So this week, write down your fixed expenses. Then decide in advance. How much for saving? How much for investing? How much for fun? Even a simple 50-30-20 structure works. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for the future. Clarity creates control. Number 2, saving what's left instead of paying yourself first. You treat saving like an afterthought. For example, if you try to save what's left, you might save $100 one month, $0 the next. But if you automatically move $300 into savings the day you get paid, your lifestyle adjusts around it. After 1 year, that's $3,600 saved without thinking. So, set up automatic transfer the day after payday, even if it's just $50. Small consistency beats big intentions. Number 3, carrying high-interest debt. Paying 20% interest while trying to build wealth. Example, you owe $5,000 on a credit card at 20% interest. That's $1,000 per year in interest alone. If you invested $5,000 and earned 8%, you'd make $400, but your debt is costing you $1,000. That's a net loss of $600. High-interest debt cancels wealth building. This week, list all debts. Focus extra payments on the highest interest rate first. Before investing aggressively, eliminate expensive debt. Number 4. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise becomes a spending upgrade. For example, you get a $500 monthly raise. Instead of investing it, you upgrade your car $300, increase dining out $200. Now you're earning more, but still saving nothing. 5 years later, income doubled. Savings didn't. This week, commit that at least 50% of every raise goes to savings or investing. Grow your wealth at the same speed your income grows. Number 5. Not having an emergency fund is using credit cards when life happens. For example, your car repair costs $1,200. Without savings, it goes on a credit card at 20%. Now the emergency costs even more. But with 3 to 6 months of expenses saved, emergencies become inconveniences, not financial disasters. This week, start a buffer fund. First goal, $1,000. Not investing money, protecting money. Stability creates confidence. Number 6. Avoiding investing. Because it feels scary. Letting fear keep your money stagnant. For example, if you invest $300 per month at an average 8% return for 20 years, you'd have around $176,000. If you wait 10 years before starting, you'd have about $88,000. Waiting costs you nearly half. Time matters more than timing. So this week, open a basic investment account, even if you only invest $50 to start. Progress removes fear. Number 7. Not tracking where money actually goes. Is guessing instead of measuring. For example, you think you spend $200 eating out. You check your bank statement. It's $470. That's $270 more per month. $3,240 per year. Awareness alone often reduces spending by 10 to 20%. This week, review the last 30 days of transactions. Categorize them. No judgment, just awareness. What gets measured improves. So let's recap. If your money isn't growing, check for these 7 habits. No spending plan, saving last instead of first, high interest debt, lifestyle inflation, no emergency fund, avoiding investing, not tracking expenses. You don't need to fix all 7 today. Fix one, then the next. Wealth isn't built through hype, it's built through boring consistency. If this helped you, subscribe and watch episode 2, where we'll break down exactly how to build your first simple wealth plan from scratch. Calm steps, clear numbers, no noise. I'll see you there.